Stop. If you're thinking about buying CMS Robots, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims it can find clients, score leads, write personalized cold emails, generate proposals, manage clients, handle invoicing, and even run your entire agency from one dashboard. No expensive software stack, no manual prospecting, no hiring a team, and no paying hundreds of dollars every month for multiple tools. Sounds insane, right? Well, before you spend your money, watch this review because I'm going to show you exactly what CMSRobots is, what's inside, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. And make sure you stay until the end because I've prepared exclusive bonuses worth over $500 that you'll get free if you decide to grab CMSRobots through my link. Let's dive in. What is CMSRobots? CMSRobots is an all-in-one AI agency platform designed for freelancers, marketers, consultants, and agency owners. Instead of using separate tools for lead generation, outreach, CRM, proposals, client management, reporting, and invoicing, CMSRobots combines everything into one dashboard. The goal is simple: help you find clients faster, close more deals, and manage your business with less effort. Benefits: why people are interested. Finding clients is usually the hardest part of running an agency. Most freelancers waste time jumping between multiple software tools. Cold outreach often fails because messages feel generic. Professional proposals can take hours to create. CMSRobots attempts to solve all of these problems using AI automation. Inside CMSRobots, you'll get iLead Discovery Engine, Google Business Prospect Finder, AI Audit and Scoring System, personalized cold email generator, built-in CRM pipeline, AI Proposal Builder, client delivery dashboard, revenue and invoice tracking, agency management suite, commercial license included, cloud-based access, and global business search capability. Everything is designed to help freelancers and agencies operate more efficiently. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: beginner-friendly, all-in-one dashboard, commercial rights included, saves time on prospecting, AI-generated outreach, built-in CRM system, and proposal generation included. Cons: no software guarantees clients, results depend on your outreach skills, emails may still need personalization, and requires action and consistency. Results: what to expect. CMSRobots is not a magic button that instantly creates income. But if you're a freelancer, agency owner, SEO consultant, social media manager, web designer, or digital marketer, it could significantly reduce the time spent finding leads, creating proposals, and managing clients. Its biggest advantage appears to be automation and organization. Instead of spending hours searching for prospects and building proposals manually, you can focus more on closing deals and delivering results. When you get CMSRobots through my link today, you'll also unlock these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, AI Agency Client Acquisition Blueprint. Value $297. Learn how to consistently find, contact, and close local business clients using proven outreach systems and AI tools. Bonus 2, High-Ticket Agency Proposal and Closing Masterclass. Value $297. Discover how to create irresistible proposals, handle sales calls, and close premium monthly retainers with confidence. Total bonus value $594 plus, and you get both bonuses free when you grab CMSRobots through my link below. So, is CMSRobots worth it? If you're looking for a way to simplify your agency operations, generate leads faster, create professional proposals, manage clients more efficiently, and potentially reduce software costs, then CMSRobots is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's a business tool, not a guarantee of success. And if you want CMSRobots plus my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.